Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports, and today we're taking a look at this 2019 Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 28,107 miles and passes New York State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, and we have installed new front and rear tires. We took this bike on a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted that there was a front brake pulsation. We've posted the actual service repair order so you can see exactly the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's rust on the left side fork, scratches on the back right side of the saddlebag, scratches on the left side cover, paint peeling on the left side of the tour pack hardware, and a blemish in the finish on the left side windshield trim. This bike has one key and one fob, and comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, a keyless ignition, multifunction 4-speaker audio system, and navigation. It's been upgraded with a Bassani exhaust and a tinted windscreen. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.